Like we said before, here's another video just to show you that it is possible to do a haircut in 15 minutes or less without using a lever or clipper over comb. We are going to do this haircut, which is a mid-level skin fade with nothing off the top, blended in, and we're going to do this haircut without speeding up the camera or stopping the camera. We're going to let you see the raw footage, and we will answer every question and explain everything in this video in the series of videos that will be coming after this. And we are going to start the timer right now, and so let us begin. That's a 5-0. Like I said, I'm going to show you all raw footage. We are not going to speed up the camera on you. We're not going to cheat you and stop the video. I'm going to let you see everything I'm doing. And yes, I will explain everything, how I'm holding the blade, why I'm holding the blade, why I go from front to back, why I go from back to frontwards, what exactly I'm doing. I am going to explain everything in a series of videos that will come after this. So that's a 5-0. Next, the 0A OA blade. That's the second elevation, is with the OA blade. Second elevation. OA blade. Third elevation, 1A blade. Next elevation, the number 2 blade. No clip over comb, let the blade be your comb. Swing right into the hair with the blade. Because of this type of a clipper, it cuts bulk hair clean. So you don't have to do anything but allow the blade to chew right into the hair and blend. Do a continuation right out. Watch this. Take the blade, cut your elevation, and then blend out right into the top of the hair. Next elevation is a 3 3/4 blade. No clip over comb. Just let the blade cut right into it. Let the blade be your comb and cut at the same time. Now you take the 3 1/2 blade, break the line between 3 3/4 and the number 2 blade. Flat. mid, high. Same thing. Flat, mid, high. We will explain all of that. Let your wrist be your lever. Now, you're going to take the 1.5 and blend between the 2 and the 1A. Flat. Mid. High. That's your lever. Flat. Flat. Mid. High. That's your lever. Now we're going to take the number 1 blade and blend between the OA and the 1A. Flat. Mid. High. And come on this side. Flat. Mid. High. Then you take the 000 line and you break the line between the 50 and the OA. Same way. Start low. Flat. Mid. High. Come over here. Flat. Flat. Mid. High. See any dark spots? Just go back and clean them up with the OA or the 1. And you just start a little flat. Mid. High. There we go. Same over here. Flat. Mid. High. And then go to the OA if you need to. Do any little cleanup at the very bottom with the OA flat. Mid. High. Flat. Mid. High. flat. Mid. High. Any little cleanup. Just take the 1.5, knock down any little dark hair, like that, with the rim. We'll explain all of this in our series videos. Alright, check our time. Okay. For any even out, you take the OA and you just use it like you would use any lever clipper with the OA blade. And you just go in and even out freehand. Taking your freehand with the OA blade. Anything that's sticking out that need to be cleaned up. You don't want anything off the top, so you just blend right up into the top. He's gonna probably curl his hair up or something like that. What I'm doing is I'm not gonna speed up the camera. I'm not gonna stop it. I'm gonna let you see everything I'm doing, raw footage, and I'm gonna explain everything later. But at least you can see I'm not gonna cheat you. I'm not gonna cheat you. I'm gonna let you see my mistakes, my flaws along the way, and still get the haircut done. And all you professional barbers at home, you'll see this is something that will be easy for you to do. You guys are better barber than me. And all you beginner barbers, y'all will be better eventually than I am. But I'm just showing you a technique that shows you that you can make a little bit more money by getting haircuts done within, more haircuts done within an hour. Alright, now we're going to line them up. Now we're going to line them up. I always try to stick to the natural line. Most of you at home, if you're a professional barber, y'all lines are going to pop a little bit better than mine. Again, I'm just going to show you the technique. Show you what can be done in a reasonable amount of time. Let the clipper, the actual blade, make the line instead of you trying to create a line. This way the line will be straight for you. I don't have to be that artistic if I take the straight edge and boom, lay it down and make the line for me. Boom. Just check the line, make sure everything good and even. And you could take your trimmer and just clean up the bottom, buff it out. Make sure everything good. Go behind the ears, the neck. Just buff everything out. I showed you everything I'm doing. I'll explain everything in the in the next couple of videos. Just buff out the edge. Need to make sure everything's straight. Like I said, I stay closest to the natural line. As I possibly can. And then we done. What's our time? Boom. 14 minutes, 55 seconds. And clean them off. And like I said, you don't want nothing off the top. You're gonna curl it up. It's a basic fade. 15 minutes or less. And boom. All right.